All right, what's going on, people? This is Thursday. We 2 days in this thing. Um, we had 81 pips right here on this one. About to get taken out. Came inches close. TP1 was right here. TP2 right here. Other than that, let's check out GA. EA. EA still in this bottom right here. We're gonna see if this thing can get up to here, and we'll close this trade. I don't think it's gonna get all the way up here. But because it's still down here and GA went up, so we might just move our stop loss. Like once this thing get in profit, we're gonna move it to break even. We ain't gonna worry about that trade. But other than that, let's take a look at this pair. One of my positions got taken out, and I'm gonna just leave this one for a runner. As you know, we was at 200 and something. Let's see. Yeah, we was at 200 and something pips. Now this one got taken out. We just gonna exit this. But I was trading this off for the weekly. As you can see, boom, it hit my area. And we got in over here and it hit my area. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna close this bad boy. So that's that. EA is not performing. Wanted to, but we're gonna hold that trade and hopefully this can get up here and take us out in profit. Now, what I want to show you guys is this USDJPY. Somebody or a whole lot of people just lost a lot of money, people. And I only would have been taking sales right here anyway. So if I was in this trade, if I would have been following this system, because I got 3 different systems that I created personally for myself. But if I would have been following this system, Lord have mercy. Look at the pips on this thing. And that's 2 candles, people. That's 400. Let me see. Let me make sure. Right here. Make sure. Stop right there. From this candle to this candle. That's 418 pips. That's a big move, people. Now, I think this thing gonna be retracing back up. I'm about to see where this thing can come from. Retrace back up to. I just gotta look at the different time frames, but from the looks of it, it might not even retrace back up all the way up. But you just never know in these markets, man. So that's why you got to be careful and not to trade every day, people. This is a perfect example why you shouldn't trade every day unless you got some good information on your bias. Let me just go back here. Your bias, or let's see what Bitcoin did. All right, your bias, or I didn't load up yet. Or what direction you want to trade in. Let's see, GBP, JPY. They did the same thing. All right. I just want to see what happened. Like, for far as price action, I don't care about the news. Yeah, I definitely think this gonna come back up. All right, we're gonna be looking at this candle here. I just look right down. Go down daily. Back to our weekly. So you guys made good money on that signal. The daily. Okay, so we probably could get a pivot from here, back up, or a pivot from here. But I'm not trading this. I'm just showing you how I would mark this thing up based off of price action. So other than that, man, I'm not messing with it. So like I said, I will be, let's go to the daily because this time frame too small. So either this thing can pivot from here to there, or it could come down and pivot from here. But who knows, right? Who knows? But other than that, that's where we at, people. I got taken out my positions closed in this one. EA starting to go in profit. As you can see, boom, it's still in that little range wheels down here, so it's really not really doing too much. And GA 80 pips. So yeah, we got two good signals. One of them performing flawlessly. We might manually take this thing out here. So we might have to change our TPs, people. From here to there, that's about 50 pips. So we're not going to take it all the way up there. Going to take it out just right there. Right. So that's where we at with everything. Like I said, people, the more complicated you make trading, the more hard it's going to be for you. So if you're trying to learn, I mean, a lot of people learn different. Like, as soon as it breaks, look for a retest, go back up. I get it. But if you're not keeping it simple as possible, like once you learn what you're looking for, your job is to simplify it so that you can be consistent with it. Create you a routine. And just look for that one in particular thing or particular things, your setup, and just execute, people. You don't have to try to go for the whole move, or you don't have to go back all the way in history, just to see where this thing can reverse. All the thing you gotta do is go to your higher time frame. Let's just say this, right? Let me just go to a pair right quick. Oh, they triggered me in. We got triggered in, people. We got triggered in, CAD. So the first move I'm gonna do, hold on, let me do this right quick. We got triggered in this move. Now we might still go back up in this portion, but what we gonna do, we're just gonna take it back down. Let's see where we at with it. We're just gonna take it back down to here. So let's just do this. That is about what? Right here to here, it's about 80 pips. So yeah, we're gonna take it back down to there, and we're gonna put our stop loss. Shit, I'll put our stop loss right there. So that's 80 pips. Stop loss is 50. So yeah, that's a good risk to reward. If this thing can come down here, we just move our stop loss down. So we got triggered in that one, but I lost track of what I was saying. Yeah, just keep your game so simple, people. So let's just go to up here and look how it went out. You guys on Instagram, I gave this one to y'all for free. Well, not for free, but this was the first signal we called last week. And look how it performed, people. You gotta keep the game simple. Look for whatever you're looking for and simplify it. That's all I do. If you guys follow me, all my trades look like this. Why? Because I got a game plan. Once I see my signal, boom, I know where I'm gonna get out at. I know where my zone's at that this thing can reach to. And if they don't reach that, so what? But you gotta stick to the same plan. But let me see. Alright, cool, right? Let's go there. So like I was saying, you don't have to go back in history all the way back to here just to see where this thing gonna go at, right? You wanna just focus on this area, like the stuff that you can see in front of your screen. But if you have to do that, you wanna go to your higher time frame. That way you still focusing in on current price because these are daily candles, so they're gonna have less candles, right? Or a weekly. Still focusing in on less candles, right? So if I was to do this, like right, boom. Well, I already mapped it out, but let's just do it. Just let's just do it. Let's see. So bam, that'll be my weekly level. We in this zone, so I would have been looking for sales. But see, we came up there already and came down, but I'll still be looking for sales. That's the weekly. Go to the daily. You just wait for your setup, right? Like how it came to our zone. Look for your setup. Bam. Just setup. Where you gonna exit at? One. Go to your 4 hour to look for those exit points. That's what I do. I don't know what you guys do, but that's how I do it. And very consistent with it. Right? That'll have been my exit point right there. So once I got in there, bam. Even on a 4 hour, you could have did the same thing. Right? Once this thing reached that's your entry point. It's 129 pips. But other than that, man, that's basically all it is. You guys need to keep it simple. If you don't know price action, please get with me. I can simplify this stuff for you guys and just create your journey, less stressful and to what to look for and how to look for it and how to watch these things form and help you out, man. Because other than that, this game is real simple for me. And you want to get with somebody that can help you in a way that you don't have to figure this stuff out on your own because it's gonna take a while. You're gonna take a lot of losses if you don't have the correct guidance and stuff like that. But other than that, man, wow, we winning. And it's been like that for me for a while. But like I said, I'm only got a certain amount of people in my signals group. I don't want a whole lot of people in my signals group. I'm trying to teach them as well as give them signals. That way they got best of both worlds. And yeah, real simple stuff. But other than that, man, y'all get at me. This video gonna be dropping soon, along with the entry video. I might merge the two. That way, you guys can see how I entered and how these things perform. But for now, it's only for my signals group because they paying for this. So I gotta drop this to them first. And well, they already have the video because I already gave the signals out. But this is just like my personal video, you know, showing you guys how it is and what the trades is that I actually do this. But other than that, man, y'all get at me. Like, comment, subscribe, Instagram, hit on my YouTube, join me on Telegram. Spot available. I'll post my link. But other than that, man, I'm just keeping it to a bare minimum. I don't need all the drama. Only people that's serious and learning my style of trading, and that's it. But other than that, y'all get at me and enjoy trading, man. Enjoy your trading. All right, people. Look like we about to get taken out on this pair. GA, EA starting to push up. Like I said, we only taking it to this level. And we did get triggered in ECAD, right, for a sell. So now this thing didn't tap into the zone, so I'm expecting this thing to get back in the zone. Let's see, we're gonna push it up just a tab right here because I'm looking at this candle right here. So we're gonna push that stop loss up. Once it break out of this zone, then we can move this Stop loss back down. But other than that, man, that's where we at. We did get triggered in this trade. But I might close out. Look, we had 105 pips. Look, we about to get taken out on it. Hold on. Give me a second. A second, you guys. Hold on. And EA. Everything's starting to perform. Everything's starting to perform. But once we get taken out of this, we just might close this trade. Right? And that'll be it. We'll be done for the week. We'll be done for the week. So we definitely gonna be watching this. Just to see how fast this thing move and get taken out. So our TP1 got smashed. TP2 is inches away, people. Inches away, literally inches away. So yeah, that's it, people. Another successful week. Y'all get at me. Do what you gotta do. Stay focused and continue your grind, man.